Last time I did this, you didn't put anything there. And I was like, oh, the wheels. Here we are at the first photo shoot, the inaugural photo shoot. Can you show us what you did?
Yeah, for sure. Everything's still super wet.
We like it
on
like
a time
that.
crunch, so
They look better wetter.
You can cut that out.
We're going to be dropping off the FX car for some magic. Should I ring the doorbell? It does seem a little like a library in here. Why are you guys not jamming out to some music?
It's on a Monday after PRI.
Oh, so you're all hungover. I get it. Oh, I'm too old for that. You're gonna split me in half like a wishbone. Hey everybody, this is Jordan with House of Boost. Just a little recap from the weekend. We spent a little time here getting the FX car ready for the next phase. So I spent some time, we did some oil pump gears. There'll be some video of that. I'm sure Avery will put it in here. Right here. Somewhere here. Last time I did this, you didn't put anything there. And I was like, oh, the wheels. And then I do this, and there's no, not that, I'll show you the video. Not the second time you didn't put it in there.
What are you talking about?
I'll show you.
I never
Anyway.
did that to you.
Yes, you did, I promise.
lying.
No, watch all of our videos. You'll find it. You just have to watch them front to back.
Oh,
You'll see.
Avery messes up one time out of 20.
So we put in a little overtime this weekend just to get this car ready because it's going to see our friends at RapFX, and then after that it's going to ProChargers. So we want to make sure that it looks good and is safe. So we did the oil pump gears this weekend.
So what was that saying?
In the motorcycle world, there's a saying there's two types of motorcycle riders. Ones that have gone down and ones that are gonna go down. Well, the same thing stands for oil pump gears. If you don't replace them, there's two types of oil pump gears. Ones that have failed and ones that are gonna fail.
I like that.
Yeah, we'd just rather replace them before they fail. Anyone that says they don't fail has not done any research at all.
And that's why we do what we do. Differently.
Our own car.
It's not an upselling thing that we do. It is something that we do because we know it needs to be done. What are we working on now?
We're gonna do some lowering springs.
Like just lowering springs?
Oh no. Some hot pink VMR lowering springs. And I'm doing all that so the Weld S71s look awesome.
Details.
I haven't even seen the S71s on the car yet. I've been fighting the urge to throw them on just to see them.
We all are.
But a couple more hours and we'll be done with the car for the day and it'll be on some new shoes.
Awesome. Gotta get rid of these bogus Mexichrome calipers there.
Yeah,
They literally look spray painted. We're gonna hook that up too. All the details are gonna be so awesome on this car. Can't wait.
How's that? That's hot.
Just when all the details come together. I know it may not look like a whole lot right now, but this is just the start of some awesomeness.
Yeah. We did some BMR lowering springs. Our friends at Stay Spooled powder coated the springs for us, hot pink. You can't really see them from many angles. Every once in a while you catch a hint. But we have some videos and pictures that Avery will post. We'll be in here somewhere, like somewhere in here. And probably the most dramatic difference we made is we put these awesome custom Weld S71 white wheels on. I think they made the car 10 times better. We're gonna go take some photos of the car outside in the sunlight. It's a beautiful day today. So we'll have some photos, video of the shoot and everything to go along with this video today. Here we are at the first photo shoot, the inaugural photo shoot of the FX package.
Tell us who's here and what we're doing.
Who's here?
You have the mic on.
Tell
me.
RapFX have brought back our FX Mustang. This is not going to be a cool review because I don't think there's anything on the other side of this garage door. But, yep, definitely nothing. There it is. There she is. Hey-oh!
Hey, we got a thumbs up from a homeless guy, so.
Wow, that is the seal of approval that we needed.
Oh, dude.
All right, tell us why you're here, guys.
So, hello, hola,
This is Aaron.
Marin.
This is David.
This is Dave. We're
And
Rap Effects.
Yep.
Wrap Effects.
The owners of WrapFix here. Another one of your guys' cars we just got done.
There's more to do to this. They brought it to us because we have another appointment at ProCharger, but they're not done with it. Everyone's excited about this car, including ProCharger, and they want us to put some content out there. So I figured, since you guys are the last ones to touch it, maybe you can show us what you did.
Yeah,
For sure. Yeah, come on out. Everything's still super wet. We knew you guys were kind of on a
We like it
on a
like
time
that.
crunch, so
They look better wetter.
You can cut that out. Cut that out. It got a little dirt on the drive over, but
That happens.
yeah,
Show us
no,
what
full,
you did.
Basically full clear off PPF, whatever you want to call it, on the whole car. Got everything from, I mean, literally from the bumper to bumper, essentially. So the only thing left, I don't know if you spoiler alert or whatnot, but obviously we didn't do the mirrors because those are going to go carbon fiber PPF. So we just left the mirrors. We didn't do those.
Yeah, sure.
Same with the roof.
Okay.
So we'll do carbon on the roof, the mirrors, and then whatever other goodies that you guys
I thought you were
want us to do.
referring to
So
the spoiler alert as the actual spoiler.
oh, dude, yeah, true.
Tell us what you guys are doing with the
Yeah.
spoiler.
True.
Paint matching it, the new aftermarket spoiler. I don't know what you guys got.
Yeah, what'd
It's
you-
an
what'd you
RTR
guys-
spoiler.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Did you guys like it? Did you see
It's
it?
sick. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
dope.
nice.
Dope.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of. I got my painter. He's coming at 2:30. So he's gonna do. He's gonna pick it up. Let me know the price, obviously. And then
Yeah.
he'll do like a little card for you guys.
Oh, awesome.
So, for the
Yeah. The windows might look a little different. What's up with that?
So yeah, we tinted them obviously.
got the windows tinted. Yep.
The fishbowl look is not something that
Yeah.
we approve of.
Correct.
No, for sure.
Including the windshield. Got the windshield done.
Speaking of tint, looks like we might need to darken the old ram up there too. Looking a little light, bro.
I think we
Good.
probably ought to do the windshield or something. I
Sure.
don't know.
So-
When it comes to the wrap stuff, the PPF, everything you see that we have goes to Wrap Effects.
Big thing about us is we focus on quality and full coverage, where a lot of shops in town are just going to use pre-cut kits.
True. Perfect doesn't exist. Perfect paint job doesn't exist. Perfect wrap job doesn't exist. But we get it damn close.
Look at the color. My favorite thing about it is you guys, even you guys, I think agree that this color is too good to just freaking cover up.
It's so
Oh, yeah.
sick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I honestly we actually joked because I obviously you like matte stuff and all this stuff, and I don't know, bro, just the gloss. Like I probably wouldn't even if you want to do like a color change or do something, like I would probably say no. So your guys' videos and stuff like that, you guys preach like trying it on your own stuff before you guys launch it to the public or to your customers. We're the same way, man. Like this is like I would say the third different brand of PPF, and everything goes on
the
our
last
personal
year,
stuff.
probably.
Yeah,
So-
everything goes on our personal stuff to try and test, and then we kind of roll it out. So
To that effect. So let's be honest with everybody. Out of all the cars we brought you, what, like 8 of them? How many have you given us anything on? We actually choose to come to you. We choose to pay you guys to
Oh,
do
for
this
sure.
job.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, 100%. Yeah, so
yeah.
so at the end of the day, we're a business. You guys are
Yeah,
a business.
yeah.
We all pay our taxes. We're all
Right.
legit. So,
Yeah.
we don't really do stuff for free. Obviously, like we give you guys, friends and
Yeah.
family stuff.
Yeah,
and all that
sure.
stuff. We've never done any car for free. Just like I'm sure you guys have never done anything for free, or like actually like full blown car, full build or anything like
Right.
that. Obviously here and there, but
Well-
yeah, I mean, you guys, we have a great working relationship with each other.
For sure.
You guys come to us. We send you guys a lot of stuff. I mean, if you paint over there, I mean, Dave's V is here for
Us to work on.
for you guys to work on.
So-
So, yeah, like I said, he
Yeah.
paying you guys. You guys
I'd
charge
say
him too.
a lot,
So
of,
yeah.
a lot of the way that we discount things is, I say we're booked out 45 days most of the time, and
Yep,
so
for sure.
you get to cut the line.
Yeah,
on
we
a lot
don't.
of things.
We
So-
don't wait for
Yep,
stuff. But
yep,
on the other
yep.
hand, we have a lot of people trying to like give us stuff, and we bypass those people to come straight to you guys
Yeah.
because
Exactly.
Exactly.
But I mean,
and honestly, this is not a paid infomercial. This is us, and you guys didn't even know you're doing this when you got
No
here,
idea.
right?
Yeah, literally.
Like
No,
honestly,
no.
he was like, "Well, we're not done with the car, so I don't really want to be on video or
Yeah.
anything."
Oh, did you know? Did he say?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. I was gonna say, he didn't even let me know. It's like,
So
I literally, they walked us out. I was like, hey, homeless guy, give us a thumbs up. They're like, hey, you're recording right now. So,
well, but the reality is like I want people to understand that we only choose to do business with people we trust and we like. Like we have ProCharger. It's super special to them. Weld made these wheels for us. They haven't made these wheels yet.
that's sick.
So like this car for
Love 'em.
me is like my dream build. This is my dream car, and I
Yeah.
took it straight to you. You guys, short of me bringing it in the shop and doing my things,
Yeah.
you guys were the first people I brought it to.
Yeah, I'm pretty
So-
sure it has like 100 miles or something. It's like,
Yeah, there's literally
brand
no
spanking new, so,
miles on the
yeah.
car. So
Yeah, which time?
anything you guys want, like Wrap Effects, you guys want to tell them what all like your socials and stuff are?
I think we're just what WrapFX KC on Instagram, WrapFX KC on Facebook.
It's all right here in his gray sweatpants.
Link them right here, wherever you want to do. Link them all right here.
all
Yep.
in this area.
I say, or swing by. I say
Yeah.
we like doing quotes in person
Yep.
with people,
Yeah.
just because we get to see what your vision looks like. So coming by is always welcomed. We do have an open door policy while we're working on your car, so
Yep.
you can come by and check it out anytime.
I wish I'd have known that. You always tell me not to come by. Address is right here.
Address is right there.
Yep, Avery's got
Come,
you.
come check us out.
Sweet, sick. Appreciate it, guys.
Hey everybody, here with our friends at ProCharger. Well, at our friends at ProCharger. We're not with them yet. We're going to be dropping off the FX car for some magic. Shall I ring the doorbell?
You have the mic in your pocket.
Whoever wants to talk to us.
Just plug it on your jack. Yeah, that's good.
Does seem a little like a library in here. Why are you guys not jamming out to some music?
20 on a Monday after PRI.
Oh, so you're all hungover. I get it. I get it. What's up, buddy? How are you? Good to see you. This is Avery. Avery, this is Walt.
How's it look?
Go look at it. It's beautiful. Yeah. We just did a whole.
I like the wheels.
Yeah, Weld just did a whole photo shoot this weekend on it. So
Yours had the big flat ones, or which wheels did it have?
it had the just the regular GT five spokes.
Okay.
They were just white. Yeah. It just got out of the wrap shop, so it's all PPF'd.
Oh, okay.
So it hasn't had time to cure.
Plastic.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Try to make it as stress-free for you guys as possible.
Is that factory? You got?
Yeah. No, that's all factory white. We haven't done anything appearance-wise except for the wheels and lowering springs yet. Everything else, it's just clear PPF. Yeah, those are going away. They're getting teal and hot pink.
So with the split dash like that, that's like
It's the poverty model.
Yeah. Premium or something. Like
It is a premium, but
it's not the fully loaded.
it's like a 401A package or something you have to get the. Somebody on the internet told me that. I probably wouldn't have done it anyway because the 401A package is more expensive and heavier, and we're trying to go 8s in this thing. So, well, do your thing to it. Do whatever you got to do. You guys doing any unreleased magic to it, tests wise? Do I need to cover this?
As of right now, we don't have any, plans other than just trying to get get our updated file in it.
Yeah.
Make sure everything's looking good there. I know we're gonna test our current stuff on it, and then, make sure it gets back to you with all the special goodies. So
Can't wait.
yeah,
It's gonna be awesome.
good to see you.
Good seeing you.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
Woo.